Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Subaru Crosstrek, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to take out your taillights in order to replace your taillight bulbs. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the trunk, and let's do it on the driver's side. So what do we have to do? We have to remove these two bolts, 1 and 2. So I'm getting a 10mm socket with the ratchet and remove these two bolts. Okay, now when we have our two bolts out, next thing is we just have to pull the light towards yourself. Okay, there is one very brittle clip somewhere here in the middle, so try not to force it. Don't force it on the side, you're gonna break it. You just have to pull it towards yourself. So that's what I'm gonna try to do now. If you won't be able to do it without the screwdriver, then we will try to, well, I mean, we're gonna try to do it without the screwdriver, but we might need one. Okay, so let's start. Hope you guys can see it from this angle. So okay, here we go. Now, okay, so you see there are two clips here and two pins that go here and here. So you don't want to break them. If you're gonna move it to the side, you're gonna break them. And this thing holds also. Now, here we have all the bulbs. Okay, so you have to remove the bulb, just spin it, and just pull the bulb off from the connector if you have to replace it. Same thing goes with these lights. Just take with the fingers and remove. And this should be a turn signal, I believe. Yeah, and this is a turn signal. Same procedure. Just grab it with fingers and remove them. That's it. Now, once you have replaced your bulbs, just make sure you connect. Make sure you get the pins right in place, and this thing goes over. Okay, so you don't want to just, you have to slide these in here. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to, from here you can see pins, and so just get it correctly back in. Okay, so once you have almost got it correctly on, you should have no gaps here. Okay, so, and just the last step is just tap on the light so it gets in place. That's it. There should be no gaps, everything should be nice, no loose, nothing. So it's good. Now we're just gonna redo our bolts here and here, and that's it. It's gonna be the whole procedure. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.